STA Project 300th Vehicle Delivery Ceremony, carried out by the Presidency of Defense Industries, SSB, was held by FNSS Defense Systems Inc. with the participation of the Ministry of National Defense, Turkish Armed Forces and defense sector representatives. It took place at FNSS Gölbaşı facility. Defense Industry President Prof Dr. in the program, which was attended by Haluk Görgün, a presentation was made by Program Manager Kerem Kaplan about PARS 4x4 and Kaplan weapon-carrying vehicles and remote-controlled anti-tank turrets, which were originally designed and produced by FNSS within the scope of the STA project. Making evaluations within the scope of FTA project deliveries, SSB President Prof. Dr. Haluk Görgün stated the following in his statement. We manage the procurement activities for a total of 344 STA vehicles in 3 different configurations within the scope of our Weapon Carrier Vehicles project, which we started in 2016, in order to ensure the use of the Kornet-E weapons in the inventory of our Land Forces Command and the OMTAS we procured within the scope of our medium-range anti-tank weapon project on vehicles. Within the scope of the first phase of the project, we completed the delivery of 260 vehicles to the relevant troops in February 2022. After the 300th vehicle delivery today, we plan to complete the delivery of the remaining vehicles by the end of October 2024 at the latest. In line with our goals, we will continue our work on developing not only conventional war vehicles, but also new generation, technological and vehicles that can meet different needs, in the coming period under the leadership of our President, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, the architect of the Turkish century. In the opening speech of the program, FNSS General Manager and CEO Nail Kurt emphasized the importance of working with nearly 500 solution partners, especially Neural Makina, Aselsan, Roketsan and SDT, in addition to the careful work carried out at FNSS on the original design and production processes of the project. Also mentioned, Kurt also pointed out that a significant accumulation of knowledge has been achieved with many local companies working with the design and production of vehicle electronics and mechanical subsystems and parts, and that a sustainable supply management cycle has been achieved by transferring this knowledge to other platforms also designed by FNSS. Within the scope of the STA project, deliveries and post-delivery logistics support activities are carried out by FNSS. Deliveries of PARS 4x4 and Kaplan STA vehicles and Kornet-E and OMTAS weapon towers to the Land Forces Command continue, and especially the KMCU tower system developed by Roketsan is integrated. Tiger vehicles also stand out as Turkey's national anti-tank system. The logistics support contract implemented for the needs of the vehicles after delivery is also a first in this field. Designed specifically to be used as an anti-tank platform, PARS 4x4 and Kaplan combine the mobility and tactical maneuverability of an armored combat vehicle with superior protection ability and firepower, with their agile and modular structure. PARS 4x4 and Kaplan, which have a modular design that can be adapted to various operational requirements such as fire support, reconnaissance, internal security missions and convoy protection, as well as anti-tank features, provide flexibility and versatility to meet changing operational needs. The vehicle's silhouettes and power-to-weight ratios determined according to the conditions, threats of the combat environment, combined with advanced suspension systems, enable them to maneuver at high speeds in different terrains and all-weather conditions. Both platforms have amphibious features. With this feature, it also offers the ability to cross watery openings such as rivers and streams quickly and effectively.